Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Taiwo's Insane Bonus Bundle page. My name is Taiwo Mokaro. Today I'll be walking you through another epic product I'll be launching on the 6th of July 2021, Tuesday precisely. And the launching will be closing on the 11th of the same month. Okay. Before we go into the product proper, let me say this. If this is your first time watching my YouTube channel or coming across my video on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the very first to be notified anytime I put up a video out there. And should you have a question or remark, leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to get back to you. Okay, thank you for your love and support. For the product, like I said, this product is called Bid Proposals. So this is my honest review of this bid proposal. Okay, and aside that, at any point in time, should you see this product as a product for you, then I will advise you click on the link in the description section of this video, and that will bring you to this very page as you can see on the screen. And once you get here, then you click on the very button, yellow looking like button, which says click here to secure your copy and bonuses. For the bonuses will be coming down on 5 days time. As you can see, the timer counting down on the screen. So I want you to take advantage of these very bonuses. As you know, my bonuses are custom in a way. They are tailored to complement the benefits you will surely derive from this very product, and that is what I usually do in all the products I promote. Okay, once again, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my bonus bundle page. Let us look at what this very product is all about. So what is a bid proposal all about? Bid proposal is all in one secure business proposal and contract management suite that helps you create professional video proposals, which include legal contract for your clients to sign and seal the deal, all from one place. So this very product is for all business owners, cut across all phases, all type of businesses. Okay, and at the same time, if you're a consultant, people usually, business owners, consult you to draft up their proposals, or you have that is your line of business, then this very product is equally for you. Okay, so what are you supposed to do with this? What do you do with this product? This product enables you to draft up your proposals both in print and video. Like you can see on the screen right now, I am doing a screen recording, right? Okay, so gone are the days where you just have your proposals only in print and you forward them to the prospective to all prospective clients, and it metamorphosized into what we now know these days, which is electronic, which is now online thing. Okay, now it's grown from that level to just having it only in print. You now have it both in electronic and both electronic and video. Okay, so you have both two in one these days. So this is the future of a proposal write-up, okay, or proposal drafting. So if you are that business owner who usually send your proposals to prospective clients or traffic, and you want them to have a look at what you can offer or how you can better their business, so this is the right app for you to have. And once you have this app, you'll be able to have both the print aspect of the contract and the video thing. So, you know, in those days, you usually have just only the print or what have you, then they can go through it in write-up. But these days, while you are explaining in the write-up, there's a video to back whatever you said you want to do up, okay? And that way, they can have a better view of you. They don't need to have you in person before they can understand exactly what you want to do. So it gives you an edge over other competitors. So let us now look at what are the features you are going to see or benefits, or what are the features entailed in this very product. Now, create custom business proposal from dozens of templates or from the scratch. Add graphic text and video that can be recorded right in the app. Include a legal secure contract for clients to sign with an e-signature. Be notified when your client opens the contract and signs it. Review return contract at any point in time. So these are the features you have. Okay. Then you have the create proposal for local businesses and charge them. Set up your own video proposal agency platform. So these are the things you can do with this very app, which is called Bid Proposals. Let us look at the prices of this Bid Proposal before we look at what you have under each price. Now, for the basic, it goes for $37. Then for the elite, it goes for one-time price, which is $47. Both the prices of both the basic and the elite price are all one-time prices. So that is for the front-end price. Now, for the OTO one, you have $97 for the unlimited, which is yearly. Annually, you pay $97. But if you don't want to be paying annually, then you can pay one-time fee, which is $197. That's for the unlimited. Then the OTO2, you have the $67, which is one-time too. Then it's called Deluxe. Then the OTO3 is called Business, which is $59 one time. And the OTO4 is called White Label Agency, which is $197. That's equally one-time payment. So let's look at what are the features you have under each of these prices or packages. Now, for the front end, like I said, the Bid Proposal, both the 37 and the 47, which is the elite, 37, which is the basic, access the powerful Bid Proposal software and training modules. That is what you have under this basic price and the elite price. Okay. Also, one, you have Bid Proposals Unlimited, which is the $97. I said you pay that yearly. But if you want to do that of the one-time payment, which is $197, then you don't have to pay anymore. Okay. So I believe that you would like to take advantage of that. Okay. Now the features you have under it is unlimited proposals, unlimited video hosting, generate unlimited leads every day with a dedicated lead gen app. Add up to 4 videos per proposal, password protect your proposal, create unlimited video channel, all future updates included, 247 support system. Then for the upsell 2, you have what we call 100 more video template. You have more proposal template. Upsell 2 is called Bid Proposal Deluxe, which is $69. Upsell 3, which is Bid Proposal Business, is it goes for $59, and that is that contains the seller rights, DF done for you lead magnets, business client access feature, business commercial, 6 stunning and compelling videos done for you business website, custom paper checkout integration, allow business clients to schedule appointments. All website pages are created with content. Add feature samples of business services offered. Add business client testimonials, team member accounts. Okay, these are all you have under the upsell 3. Now the upsell 4 is called Bid Proposal White Label Agency. It goes for $197, and that is rebranding, personalization, which is personalization, change thumbnail of the video, change logo on the proposal landing page, change favicon, change background image on the proposal landing page, create custom subdomain, which is ATP, you know what I mean. Then the 200 sub account, which feature will be added in July. This will be added in this very month, July. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. 100% beginner friendly, fully cloud based. Okay, fully cloud based. Create professional video proposals that your prospect can sign. Okay, these are the things you have. Then you can at your leisure look at others like ready made done for you proposal templates included. Host all your proposals on the cloud. Create custom thank you page to celebrate the new deal. So built-in video creators let you record using camera, screen, or both. So insert your call to action inside your video with point and click simplicity. Get notified when the client views the contract. Commercial license, sell video proposals as a service and profit from it. So all this you have in the all these are the features and the benefits you are going to derive from this very product. All of this is covered by no question asked 30-day money guarantee, which means after 30 days, should you have any reason to say you are not still satisfied, then your money can be refunded. Okay, so that is for that. Now, if you are interested in this product is for you, like I said, it is for all professionals, okay, all business owners. This is a product for you. As long as you are into business, then you at any point in time, there are prospective clients you have, and this is the right way to put up your proposals to them regarding what you have to offer to kind of improve their businesses. So this is the app you need. Like I said, this product will be launching on the 6th of July. So actively, this page is going to be very active. When you click on this yellow looking like button, like I said, it will take you to the sales page of the vendor where you can place your order. So if you want to do that, you'll be doing that right from on the 6th of July 2021. So the gate is open for you to make or placing your purchase. Okay. Let us look at the customized bonuses that I have for you. Like I said, I have 4 bonuses for you, and the 5th one happens to be that from the vendor. So the number 1 bonus is Access SEO Studio, which is the bonus 1. The bonus 2 is learn Facebook ads from the best. Okay. Then you have the bonus 3, which is learn how to do dropper email marketing. Okay. Then the number 4 is called Access Polarized PRO. Then lastly, which is the number 5, it happens to be all the vendor bonuses given to me, and I will be giving them to you once you make a purchase of this product. Okay, so let us look at exactly how this very software app looks like. Okay, here we go. This is the software. As you can see on the screen, this is how the bill proposal app looks like. Okay, here is the dashboard. There you have the weekly activity, monthly activity, yearly thing. You have a lot of templates here. So depending on your discipline, okay, your discipline, regardless of your discipline, you have a lot of it's loading up just a little while. Be patient a little bit. So you have all of them right in here. Okay, just a moment. Let me refresh the page so you can see it as it were. Okay, so definitely it's taking some time. Okay, I think it's coming up now. Okay, hold on just a bit. Okay, this is it. All right, you can see content marketing for car rentals, content marketing for carpet cleaners. So whatever is your service or whatever is the production you are into, this is the software you need. Okay, and you can see here you have view whatever you are doing. Then my templates, view all templates. Then here is your own personal template. Then the marketing analytics. Then you have more here. Okay, once you click this, you'll be able to see more of the features you have under this very area of templates. Okay, now when you go back to the dashboard, like I said, there are a lot of things you can do here. So you see that you draft yours if you want to, but they are already done for you templates that will entertain whatever products you are into or whatever area of business you are into. So I want you to take advantage of this very product so you can draft up professional proposals, which is very eye-catching. You can't afford to miss out on your proposal or your services because your proposal will be all telling. Okay, thank you for your time and be made blessed.